Hi dear 6th standard children, welcome to your English class. Dear students, in the previous class we have learnt the meaning of the new words in the lesson lighthouse. Those are thrilled means excited, sailor one who travels in the sea we will call them as sailor, shore means land next to the sea. Then in the story, why was Rajiv thrilled? Rajiv was thrilled because his father Madhav would take him out on a visit to the lighthouse. Then what is lighthouse? A lighthouse is a tall, strong building in the shape of a tower with powerful lights at the top. How are these lighthouses useful to sailors? The lighthouses help the sailors to know where the land is and what place they are near. And also they help to warn and guide the sailors. I hope you understand. Okay, let us move to the next paragraph. I will read. You listen carefully. Rajiv asked, but what about those days when there was no electricity? Madhav laughed. You're a clever boy, my son. In olden days, wood fires would be lit in high places on the shore. Later, a large number of candles were used with glass around them to keep out the wind. You should know, Rajiv, in those days, before lighthouses were built, sailors who got lost in the sea had no way of getting back to land. They also had the danger of dashing against high rocks in the darkness in the sea or being unable to see which was a safe place to land. These lighthouses guided them to safety. Dear students, all of you listen here. We already know that Raji wanted to know how lighthouses work. So he asked his father that how do they work. Madhav replied, modern lighthouses use powerful electricity or powerful electric light, isn't it? Now Raji wanted to know about the days when there was no electricity. So he asked his father Madhav. His father laughed and he appreciated his son because his son was understanding the concept of lighthouse. Okay, his father explained that initially wood fires and later a large number of candles with glass around them. Why glass around the candles? To keep out the wind. Okay, they were used when there was no electricity. And also he said that in the early days, before the lighthouses were built, sailors who got lost in the sea, they had no way of getting back to land, and the ships had the danger of crashing against high rocks. High rocks means bandegalu, because they were unable to see a safe place because of darkness in the sea. Understand? But afterwards, these lighthouses guided them to reach safely. Understand till here? Okay. Look at the next paragraph. I will read out. Rajiv asked, Papa, when was the first lighthouse built? I don't know, my son, Madhav replied. But I believe that in the olden days, many fishermen were lost in the sea and were unable to return home. The people on the land were worried and yet helpless to guide them. Then a group of clever young men hit upon this idea. They collected a few huge logs and a lot of dry branches and set fire to them. They were laughed at by elders, but they continued to keep the fire burning. In the early hours of next morning, the fishermen sailed home. They said that they had been guided from the land and saved only because of the light of this fire, which they had seen from a distance. Rajiv exclaimed, How clever of the humans! Madhav said, Yes. Now, shall we go home after you have your favorite ice cream? Rajiv said, Oh, yes, Papa, thank you. Dear students, did you understand anything by this paragraph? Okay, listen here. Now, Rajiv asked his father that when were the first lighthouses built? So, his father replied that even I don't know, but I believe that some young men might have set fire to huge logs and dry branches to guide the fishermen. to return the seashore safely. Why? Because in the early days, fishermen were lost in the sea and they were unable to return home. The clever young men group who saw the condition of this, they got an idea and made wood fire. Understand? But the elders were laughed at the clever boys. But the boys didn't stop. They were continued to set fire to the dry branches. As a result, next morning fishermen were returned to their home safely. And the fishermen said that they saw the wood fire and found out the land, means they were guided by that firelight. Understand? When Rajiv learned from his father about the invention of the lighthouse, he was exclaimed, "Dear students, lighthouses are not an invention made by any single person." Understand? And then finally they went back to the home after having an ice cream. And finally Rajiv thanked his father. Understand? Dear students, let us continue in the next class. Take your assignment now. First question, where are the lighthouses built? Second question, what did the people use in lighthouses before the invention of electricity? Okay, let us continue in the next class. Thank you.